Work with too. I have been doing, I first did my first bone marrow treatment and test in 1968. I worked with Donnell Thomas at the University of Washington in Seattle in 1963. He won the Nobel Prize in medicine for his work on bone marrow transplants. And then in 2000, back up in 1990, I started to specialize in neurological rehabilitation using hyperbaric oxygen. And I was the first person in the world to do hyperbaric oxygen for stroke rehabilitation in a comprehensive stroke center. And then in 2001, I started to become knowledgeable about the use of stem cells, started to treat patients with stem cells, and by 2003 decided to specialize pretty much entirely in the use of stem cells. By 2006, I was doing bone marrows and bone marrow transplants, and by now I've done well over 3,000 bone marrow transplants for treatment of chronic diseases. I've done over 7,000 patients with umbilical cord stem cells for treatment. And so as far as I know, I've done more stem cell therapy as a single doctor than any person in the world.
Can you tell us why the patients are coming back to your clinic, the last resort? So what is the reason?
Well, I would say success. For example, just 3 weeks ago, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis is an incurable disease no one has the answer for. I determined what the cause is of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and you can read or hear about it on YouTube if you want. Put my name, Sten Block, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis in YouTube, and you'll get videos of me describing what the cause of this condition is. And knowing the cause allows you to treat it much more effectively. These causes are not known by virtually any other doctors, and so that's a kind of just as an example of one case, one kind of disease.